This is another very interesting and very powerful video. Today I'll be talking about once again the CPA marketing. Okay, I'll be talking about which offer to promote and where to promote. There is an offer which is converting very well, and I've been noticing that offer. This was also there on CPA Grip. I'm sorry, it is still there on CPA Grip, and right now it is also being added on CPA Lead. Okay, so we need to promote that offer. All right. And trust me, there is no survey involved in that. It's like on the third page, customer will put the email address. That's it. You will get paid instantly. It's like a question answer. Do you want this? If you customer will select yes. Do you want that? Customer will select yes, and on the next page put email address, and you will get paid like this. Okay. So please don't skip the video. Watch the video till the end. I will just take 6 to 7 minutes of your precious time, and this will be very much helpful. Okay. So we will be promoting the offer known as Bath and Body Works. Okay. $500 Bath and Body Works. This is the offer. This is not a survey. Okay. Because I have checked this offer by using a VPN. Okay. It's not a survey. And you will be getting $1.36. $1.36 every time customer fills his email address. Okay, so where we will be promoting this offer? Okay, as you already know, we'll just click on this. We will get our affiliate link, and once we'll get an affiliate link, we'll just shorten it from Linktree. This is the step one. Okay, now the step two, we will be promoting this offer on one of the best website known as Pinterest. Okay, see, we want just traffic. That's it. If you know how to drive traffic, everything will be cakewalk for you. Seriously, everything will be cakewalk for you if you know how to drive traffic. It's all number games. No one is a master in CPM marketing or affiliate marketing. If anyone is earning, he's earning because he knows how to drive traffic. Okay, so you need to master the skill how to drive the traffic. All right, so I am telling you the cut to cut training, what is required to get success. When you open the Pinterest account, just search here in the search bar Bath and Body Works. When you type here Bath and Body Works, okay, Bath and Body Works, you will get this page. Okay, this is the blue tick mark. Do you see that? This means this account is legit. Okay, so you need to create the same account. Okay, you need to create the same account and just put 5-10 images. It's very simple to put 5-10 images. All right, just copy these images like this. This is the tool which I use. Okay, this is the tool which I use to copy the image. See, like this, you can just copy the image. All right, this is the sniper tool, and just upload it on Pinterest. You need to just upload 5 to 10, in fact at least 10 images, and create an account like this. All right, create an account like this, Bath and Body Works. Okay, just and put your affiliate link over here, just like this. Okay, no need to do anything extra. It's very simple. It does not require any investment at all. Okay, just create an account like this. No one is focusing on this. All right, I'm telling you the highly targeted way where you can promote your offer. Okay, 90% of the users on this website, I mean on this page, Bath and Body Works, are from USA. Okay, so create an account like this. Just put 10 to 12 images and put your affiliate link that you will mask from Linktree. It will be here. Okay, now what you have to do, you just need to follow and unfollow people. There are two ways. First, either you can follow and follow. You will just click over here, followers, and you will get the list of all these followers. See, 416,000 followers. You will just follow and follow 30 in the morning, 30 in the evening. Okay, 30 in the morning, 30 in the evening. 60 people you will follow. 20 people, they will definitely follow you back. Okay, if you do it 50 in the morning, 50 in the evening, 100 people if you follow and follow, then 35 to 40 people are bound to follow you back. Okay, I would just recommend you to go for 30, not more than that. 30 at one time. Follow 30 people at one time and 30 people in the evening. Okay, see what will happen if you be consistent and do this for a week. Okay, you will start building the audience. Within a week, you can see that you will be having more than 250 followers, 300 followers. Seriously, hardcore traffic, you will be getting 300 followers who are interested in Bath and Body Works gift card. Okay, it's very simple. And the way you follow, like this, just follow, and don't follow the second one, don't follow the third one, just follow after that. Okay, just make sure to leave a gap when you follow. Okay, otherwise, because it's all automated, they are not sitting, Pinterest people are not sitting to watch you every time. It's just a machine. Okay, they have just uploaded the machine. All right, and machine will track if you do it like follow. They will just track your follow, and the machine will think that you are just spamming. That's why they will just block your account. So if you want to beat the machine, just do like this: follow, then after two, follow, give a gap of 2-3 seconds, then just follow. Okay, you can easily follow 50 to 100 people every day, 50 at a time and 50 in the evening. Okay, just follow 100 people every day. You just need to do this, and your affiliate link will be in the bio. Second step will be, suppose you like, suppose this is the offer, you want to send the message to this Chelsea. You will just click over here and open in new tab. When you open in new tab, this account will open. Okay, I mean her account will be open. Here you will get the message option. You will type here, you will write the message here. I just noticed that you are following Bath and Body Works gift card. I love this brand too. If you're looking for $100 Bath and Body Work instant gift card, e-gift card, then check our official website. Link is in the bio. That's it. This is the way. Okay, we are not spamming anyone. We are just requesting. Okay, because they are following Bath and Body Work gift cards, and we are just telling them that here you can get a chance to win that Bath and Body Work gift card. Okay, so you need to type this message. I have already mentioned over here. Okay, this is the message. You can just pause the video and write this message. Okay, and you just need to send the message to these people. All right, these are the people, these are the highly targeted people, and you need to send the message to these people. Okay, don't just spam. Okay, just message them 20 at a time. Okay, 20 at a time, and just give a gap in between them. Okay, it should not like you are spamming every now and then. This will not going to help you at all. Okay, so be careful. All right, this is the best and highly targeted way to earn from CPA Grip, CPA Lead. Seriously, this offer is being on CPA Grip and CPA Lead since a very long time. Okay, on CPA Lead it was removed, again it has joined on CPA Lead. So go ahead and crush it. This is the best way. You will be getting paid 1.36. If suppose in 1 week 100 people filled, you can easily make $100+ in a week. Seriously, if 200 people fills 200, you will make $200+ in a week. So now it depends on your hard work. Go ahead and crush it. I hope you like this video, very valuable. Please do like, share, and comment below. If you are still struggling to make money online through CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, there's a link in the description. I have provided you step-by-step practical training like holding your hands. Okay, check out my